Strong words. Yes.
I literally was like,
we're getting a laser hair removal thing in the mail. That's super exciting.
if you didn't flush the toilet after you had a shit.
Hello. Good morning. It's 9:40. I brush my teeth and go let it, and then try and finish that study guide because I did some. Like, I think I finished like half. Okay, Boma slept in her own room, but look at me. You might be. Like I told you, I worked on my study guide last night, and this is what I got done from last night.
Yeah, I'm not doing three. It's just hair.
Oh, here's the beginning. I just skipped this one. I mean, that's better than nothing. Hi. Every morning. Good morning. She's coming. She's coming. Let me move this for you. What are you up to on this fine morning? I heard you eating. Strong words. Yes. You kitty. She's playing with the string. Anyways, I'm gonna edit. So I'm sitting on a pillow because like my chair is comfortable, but my butt hurts after sitting here for over an hour. I've been sitting here for a little over an hour, and I'm only 46 seconds into it because I had to match it up. I had to move the footage, and then I keep getting up and talking to my mom because I'm stalling. But now I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna get it done, and my butt hurts. I'm sitting on a pillow. I'm finally done editing. I think me and my mom are eating sushi today, so that's exciting. Uploaded! It's up! Go watch my vlog. What's the difference between nigiri and...
Nigiri's on the top of the rice ball.
Oh.
And sashimi is just a strip of sashimi.
Then why don't we just get sashimi? I thought that's what we were doing.
No, they eat it like it's the rice and then the thing on top. But I'm like, ew, carbies.
Yeah. I'm making double espresso.
Ew.
Excuse you? This never goes with me.
Yeah, we should Google why that is. I don't know the reason. I unplug it and plug it back in.
So annoying.
The dog's crying, don't
Paid
worry.
money for this. Thank you. God. We only have 12 days until Christmas. Someone didn't open hers yesterday.
What day is it? Oh, it was the 12th yesterday.
Ooh.
What's it say? Stay weird.
Oh, cute.
He's picking his nose with his tongue.
Yes. Okay, mine, number 13. Ooh. I haven't gotten yellow ones yet. Oh, Tim and I have this skirt.
I lined it up to whatever that is, because that comes out. I could have gone in, but it's going in.
I just did my makeup, just my eyebrows. But we got sushi. I didn't film any of it just because we were in the car. Here's the sushi. We're doing all salmon. So this will be up if you want to go watch it. These are 2 salmon rolls, Alaska roll, and a ninja roll, I think. We got it all salmon. Oh my god, my mom's gonna be so happy. So we finished filming like forever ago. But for right now I'm just chilling. I had an allergic reaction to a cologne my girlfriend gave me to like try. Because I don't have a cologne currently, and I had an allergic reaction to it. Like my nose started burning, I was sneezing, my chest was getting tight, my throat started hurting. It was a whole thing. And so she called me right now, and she said to open a present that she got me, and this was the cologne that I had. This is what it looked like. I love it. So
My heart went full.
Thank you, Peck.
I literally was like, I got so scared. Oh my god, I thought you were in the dining room, so I got so scared. So my dad scared the crap out of me. Because I thought he was in the dining room, and then he walked out of his room, and oh my god, it scared me. Anyways, I'm gonna go work on some homework, like not homework, but my study guide for history, and then I'll probably, when my mom's done editing, I'll clean the kitchen with her. I've been sitting here for like an hour, and I don't want to do it, but it's due tomorrow. 13 left. I have done like 8 because I keep opening TikTok. So I'm gonna clean the kitchen.
People say I am the best boss.
Someone say something.
I also just want to say my mom was working out, so I just decided to clean because I got energy. I'm gonna shower because I need to shower and it's getting late. Yeah, today wasn't that eventful, but tomorrow we're getting a laser hair removal thing in the mail. That's super exciting, and me and my mom are gonna do that. So I'm very aware of the fact that I have mascara under my eyes, but I'm not taking it off until, oh my god, that is soft and it's scary. But I'm gonna work on it right now. See if I can do anything. I asked my teacher if it was fine, and he said just mold the side gold together and it'll be fine. Let it do its thing, and let's hope it gets leather hard in 2 days. Let's go, girl. Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here.
Aww, what a bitches! Oh my god. I still have mascara under my eyes. You didn't flush the toilet after you had the shit. Disgusting! Well, good night, but it is 11:36. But I'm gonna take apple cider really quick. Bless you. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put Curology on. Put chapstick on. So that's literally what I do every night. Now I'm gonna unplug my Christmas tree and lay down. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know if you have watched The Office, and if you have, who's your favorite character, and if you haven't, why not? I'm gonna see a lot of. I just couldn't get into it, but yeah, just let me know. I just thought of it because it's true. But yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.